In this video, I'll be explaining you how you can fix the playback error in your YouTube TV. Well, we will be featuring 3 methods in how to fix this. First is checking your internet connection. YouTube TV is currently supported by 3 megabytes per second of internet connection. And how you can check it. Go to a speed test website such as speedtest.com or fast.com, then run a test. If the speed is higher than 3 megabytes per second, therefore you have a great internet connection and you can resume on the other method. But if it has under 3 megabytes per second, you can restart your router. Next is the fixing the browser settings. Since YouTube TV is currently supported by ads, in order to play videos, you need to turn your ad blockers off. How to do it? For Chrome, you can go to extensions and settings, turn off or remove the add-ons you don't need, and make sure that ad blockers are off. And for Safari, you can open Safari and then head to settings and go to security and make sure that you have turned on JavaScript since it is responsible for playing the playback or the videos. And lastly is clearing the data and cache. For your TVs, you can just simply unplug your TV and wait 60 seconds and then plug it back in. This is just a simple boot up or restart. For browsers, you can go to your browser settings, find the privacy or history options, and then clear every single browsing data, including the playback errors. Lastly is for the Android devices. Go to your settings, tap on the apps and find the YouTube TV application, and then head to its storage and tap the clear data or the clear cache. And that's it. That's how you can solve the playback error in your YouTube TV, and thank you for listening.